How to set any picture as your desktop background in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to change your wallpaper using any image saved on your computer. First, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. After that, select Personalize from the menu. From there, click on Background. At this point, click on a drop-down under Personalize your background and select Picture. In the next step, click on Browse Photos. Following this, navigate to the folder where your image is saved. Once done, click on the image you want to use, then click Choose Picture. From here, your selected image will now be applied as your desktop wallpaper immediately. Keep in mind, if the image looks stretched or cropped oddly, scroll down and adjust the Choose a Fit option to fill, fit, or center, depending on what looks best. Finally, close the settings window to see your new wallpaper applied on the desktop. And that's it. If this guide helped you set any picture as your desktop background in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.